Swansboro Port Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Port Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the water access community of White Oak Bluffs. HOA amenities include beach, dock, deep water access ramp. Master bedroom has 2 large closets and private bath. Home boasts high ceilings throughout. Gas log fireplace in living room, large eat-in kitchen with pantry and access to screen porch. Large wrap-around covered deck and lots of storage. Sundeck overlooking large tree-lined yard. Additional patio area for entertaining. Pet negotiable.